Today, I'll be showcasing the digital shopping journey of an apparel consumer and show how retailers can improve customer experience and engagement by leveraging Google Cloud's Recommendations AI solution. With the continuing shift to digital, especially in the retail industry, ensuring a highly personalized shopping experience for online customers is crucial for establishing and maintaining customer loyalty. In particular, product recommendations are an effective way to personalize the customer experience as they help customers discover products that match their tastes and preferences. But why is recommending the right product so hard? Current systems often lack the ability to personalize effectively for cold start users, dynamically adjust to shifting habits, adapt as users switch context, or handle noisy or sparse data, especially for new items with large catalogs of items to recommend. Google has spent many years solving these problems to deliver personalization across marquee Google brands. Google Cloud's Recommendations AI leverages this same cutting-edge research that powers models used by YouTube, Search, and Google Shopping. We've taken these learnings and converted them to a managed service and are constantly tuning and adjusting to provide not just product recommendations, but a greater focus on the individual customer's experience. With greater emphasis on each individual customer rather than on an item, Recommendations AI is able to piece together the history of a customer's shopping journey and serve them with personalized product recommendations. Recommendations AI also excels at handling recommendations in scenarios with long-tail products and cold start users and items. Its context-hungry deep learning models use item and user metadata to draw insights across millions of items at scale and constantly iterate on those insights in real-time way that is impossible for manually curated rules to keep up with. Let's meet a user, Sasha, who is browsing on one of her favorite apparel sites. She recently wants to replace some of her old workout gear, and she heads to the apparel site to browse the active apparel category. As Sasha browses through the activewear section, she decides to browse for a new jacket. She heads to the product page of a jacket that suits her. Immediately, she is served up additional apparel that is often purchased with this jacket. She checks out a workout top and browses at another jacket recommended for her. Recommendations AI instantaneously captures her previous browsing history so she can easily return to products she was previously interested in. Finding the right jacket, she adds to cart, but also adds that top she was eyeing with a quick click. While she doesn't purchase just that moment, she returns a few days later to find a customized homepage with recommendations. This is the type of personalization she enjoys from her favorite apparel shop. We were able to take a look at her previous purchase history as well as items in her cart to provide more relevant recommendations to complete her purchase. As we can see, Recommendations AI works throughout the entire buying process, from initial product discovery to consideration to purchase. It doesn't just stop here. Recommendations AI can be used for remarketing as well as email campaigns to help deliver personalized recommendations for customers. Now that we've shown you what shoppers see, let's take a look at the Google Cloud Console. Recommendations AI makes the ability to add a placement on the homepage quick and easy. Once catalog and event data is ingested, creating a new placement of the model can be completed in a few clicks. You can create a model type such as recommended for you and choose what objectives you are trying to achieve, such as conversions. You also can take advantage of custom configurations, then just simply add a new placement to complete the setup. Besides the simplifications we've made to getting started with Recommendations AI, we've also been hard at work making improvements to our models and collaborating with the Google Brain and Google Research teams to push the boundary of what's possible for recommender systems in retail. It's trivially simple to create, edit, and delete models from your Recommendations AI dashboard. Our models can now support massive catalogs of tens of millions of items and ensure that your customers have the opportunity to discover the entire breadth of your catalog through personalized recommendations. Instead of manually curating rules or managing cumbersome recommendation models in-house, you can upgrade your personalization strategy by replacing or complementing your existing solution with Recommendations AI. Several retail customers have already benefited from implementing Recommendations AI. Recommendations AI has delivered tangible improvements for retailers across KPIs such as click-through rate, revenue lift, conversions, and total revenue per session. Sauce's journey demonstrates how Google Cloud's AI ML-powered products and solutions can create a more seamless user journey and captive customers with engaging and hyper-personalized moments. To learn more about Recommendations AI, check out the links provided. Thanks.